So over here, you can see that I have a file, but if I were to go around into, let's say, for example, some effects and apply it right here, just like this, then I may want to save it. So if I were to go around over here and click on save, then you can see that nothing happens. No file window actually pops up right here, which allows me to save out this file. That is because this file is already saved right here, and then it is simply replacing out the file when I hit the save button. So what you can do over here is you can go around into file and click on save as right here, just like this, and then just rename it out. And what happens is that a copy of the file is saved right here, just like this. So you may also want to, let's say, save out some version sets. So when you're working with files like these, so let's say, for example, I work around with Smart Fix right here. So this is, let's say, for example, one version. You can go around onto the file menu and click save as right here. And then you can save this as version set with original. So this is -1, as you can see. So this is one version of the file right here. You can go around and make some more changes right here, just like this. So let me just go around into balance over here. So if I were to go around onto file and then go around and click on save as right here, just like this, then this is a version set 2, as you can see, just like that. You can go around over here onto lighting, go around and change it right here, just like this. Go to file over here and click on save as. And then when you work around with version set, you can see that you can save it as version set 3, just like this. So all the file names are automatically renamed, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with version sets inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.